Hello and welcome to Benchmark54. Benchmark54 is a centralised cloud-based medical and performance record system which stores athletes' personal performance and medical information. The purpose of the medical part of the system is to enable authorised medical staff to access and update a centralised current medical record on athletes. These authorised people include doctors, physiotherapists, sports therapists, clinical nutritionists, osteopaths, chiropractors, clinical psychologists, nurses, podiatrists, medical administrators, etc. The system also stores performance and training data. This data is accessible to medical and performance staff. Examples of performance staff are coaches, S&C, biomechanists, analysts, GPS analysts, fitness coaches, rehab trainers, etc. Benchmark54 provides the system to clubs and other sports organisations. It is the clubs or organisations who authorise access to your medical and performance data. If you would like to know who these users are, this information can be obtained from your club or organisation. We know that the data about athletes is sensitive and confidential. That is why we use a consent form to let athletes know how and who at Benchmark54 and at your club uses your information. All information is processed within the guidelines set out in the Data Protection Act UK. The Benchmark54 system helps your organisation and its staff to provide effective sports medical care and performance monitoring. Sometimes we might share your anonymised information. Anonymised means there is no way to identify any athlete personal information, and use it in the following ways. To amalgamate it with other users' anonymous data for benchmarking and injury audit purposes. For example, comparing injury rates with a sport as part of an audit or research project. Or to provide anonymous numerical data on injuries or illnesses to companies who are involved in sports data. We are always careful to keep your information secure, and we shall not disclose your personal information to any third parties unless expressly authorised by you. You have a right to access your data in our system by making a subject access request by emailing us at info@benchmark54.com. You also have a right to withdraw your consent to your data being processed in the system by sending us a simple email to info@benchmark54.com. In the subject field, please state withdrawal of consent. Please note that if you withdraw consent to your data being processed, your club medical and performance staff will no longer have access to your information. We would like to politely ask you to discuss these implications first with your club or organisation before making a request to Digital Fish Limited, which is Benchmark54. Our administrator will then, as quickly as is practical, take steps to prevent further data processing However, the data cannot be removed from the system as we are required to retain this medical data for legal purposes. Thank you for being part of Benchmark 54 and helping us provide tools for your health, well-being and performance development.